Friends. Contact Katyush.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Neha. Let more people join in. Hello, Abhishek. Hello, Gunjan. Hello, Neha. Hi, Alka ji. Hi, Neha. Okay, hello everyone. I am Pavni Arora, consultant nutritionist and cryosculpting expert from Clinic Dermatech, which is India's leading skincare, beauty, and aesthetic cosmetic dermatology clinic, offering high-end treatment to its customers with over 14 years of experience in the industry. Okay, I know Neha, you're eagerly waiting for the session. So we are here discussing about how you can change the shape of your body. So let us wait for few more people to join in. Tara, I am from Clinic Dermatech Safdarjung Enclave. I'm glad you're looking forward for this session. Okay, so during the lockdown, many of you must have gained weight, and many of you must have lost weight. You must have lost weight following various kind of diet, maybe a crash diet or a keto diet, or maybe a well-planned balanced diet and an exercise program. So what happens in your body when you do certain kind of weight loss or you gain weight? So basically, when you gain weight, the size of your fat cells increases. This is clearly visible in the form of excess fat, or we call as paunch on your abdomen area. You can also see fat accumulated on the other body parts. And also, when you follow a weight loss diet or you lose weight by any means, you reduce the fat cells are basically reduced. The size of the fat cell is reduced. So you must have observed that the skin tends to sag because the fat cell has reduced to its original size, and this is one of the major drawback that we face during any weight loss process. So despite of diet and exercise, there are also certain body parts where the fat is so stubborn, like your upper back or maybe thighs or sideways that you call as love handles, or the arms area, that it becomes very difficult for you to get rid of it. But now it won't be. I'm going to tell you how we are going to do workout. So there are two ways you can basically change the shape of your body, either by reducing the size of the fat cells or completely getting rid of them. So now we have introduced a 100 days challenge program for you at Clinic Dermatech. This program is one-stop solution for all your body shaping worries, be it weight loss, inch loss, or toning and firming of your saggy skin, and stubborn fat elimination. It caters to completely 360-degree solution. This program includes all the best technologies of the world: cryosculpting, CD Ultra, CD Eye Lipo, and Sculptor. So all these technologies are completely non-invasive treatment for permanent fat reduction and body sculpting. So let's talk about these technologies. I'll just explain you the technologies a little so that you can understand how we will go about the 100 days challenge. So cryosculpting. Cryosculpting is a non-surgical contouring treatment that freezes the stubborn fat, which is then eliminated naturally out of the body. It involves no needles, no special diets, no supplements, no surgery, and no downtime. The outstanding advantage of this non-invasive procedure is that it requires very less time. It is computer controlled technology. The fat cells are treated at a temperature of -8 to -10 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the fat cells, the stubborn fat that you have, are treated at -8 degrees Celsius, and the fat cells are ultimately dead, and they are eliminated out of the body naturally within a span of 4 to 6 weeks. Then we have the another technology, which is CD Ultra. CD Ultra is an innovative technology for both your face and the body. So this technology uses HIFU, which is HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound, which reaches the underlying connective tissue and generate the desired skin tightening effects without disturbing the surface of the skin. So this technology can be used for the saggy skin. So apart from contouring the body, it can also be used on the face for wrinkle reduction, for non-surgical face lifting, your cheeks and jaw lifting, for chin lift, for eyebrow lift, for lifting of the frown and forehead lines, and lifting of the nasolabial folds, and also the weight loss that you have done and the tummy begins to sag. We can use this technology for tightening and toning of the skin. Okay, so then we have another technology, which is CD Eye Lipo. Eye Lipo is a low-level laser treatment, which is also called as a cold laser, which uses a multiple laser diode. So this basically targets your adipose cells, and the fat is the triglycerides are broken down into your free fatty acids and glycerol. So this gives you instant result. You can see inch loss before and after the result immediately. So this technology is used for inch loss on any particular area or any desirable area, and this changes the shape of your body. And the fourth technology that we have is the Sculptor. Sculptor is again a non-invasive body sculpting technique used, and it is a unique combination of three therapies. One is the ultrasonic cavitation, and it is the radio frequency, bipolar radio frequency, and galvanic and radio frequency belt. So basically we are using multiple technologies in this program. So this program delivers a permanent fat reduction to stubborn fat in prominent areas of the body like stomach, your love handles, thighs and hips. It offers a long-term result as treated fat cells are destroyed permanently. The RF used with the RF used will utilize the energy to heat the skin tissue and boost the skin collagen and elastin production, which further reduces the appearance of cellulite. So if you have cellulite, the orange peel effect on your skin, the dimple skin, so that can also be treated with this program that we have. So the other program benefits are, it's completely non-invasive treatment, and it is for permanent reduction of the stubborn fat. You'll get spot reduction of up to 3 inches on one target area, and you can see visible skin toning and tightening, and you will also get weight loss of 8 to 10 kgs with a combination of simple diet plan and mild physical activity. So I have explained you. Let me check what all questions do I have. Hi Pooja. Hi Pooja. Hi Anita ji. Okay. Okay. So regarding the safety protocols, our staff and the practitioners are examined every day for any symptoms. All these treatments are administered under strict safety guidelines with minimal human touch, and the clinic is using all disposable materials. The rooms are sanitized before and after the treatment. The clinic is also fumigated at regular intervals. So we are taking all the safety measures. So feel free, whatever weight you have gained during the lockdown period, you can get that the stubborn fat eliminated, and you can also lose your weight with this 100 days challenge program. Preeti, you can meet me at Clinic Dermatech Sabdachung Enclave. Neha is asking, how do I calculate what should be my ideal body weight? Neha, the estimation for ideal body weight in kgs is like, if you for females it is 45.5 kg plus 2.3 kg for every inch over 5 feet. And also we do plus 10 if your body frame is large, and minus 10% if your body frame is short. And for males, the ideal body weight calculation is 50 kgs plus 2.3 kg for each inch over the 5 feet. But I would suggest you can visit the Clinic Dermatech for a body composition analysis, which would be more accurate, as you would know how much is the fat percentage in the body, how much is the muscle percentage, and water percentage in your body. So we can actually target the fat in the body. Okay. I have double chin. Can your machine help to reduce it? Definitely, we can use a CD Ultra for the same. It will considerably reduce the double chin. Pooja is saying I regularly exercise in gym, but still struggling with my tummy pouch. Do you have any solution? Yes, dear. I have many clients who are struggling, who were actually struggling with the same. They mostly, I have many clients who come to the clinic because they've tried diet and they're exercising a lot. Still, they have a paunch. So we can get you treated with cryosculpting. You can visit Clinic Dermatech. I'll just check if we have we have pinchable fat over your tummy area, and we can get you started with cryosculpting procedure. Manisha is asking, will I get permanent result in this 100 days program? Manisha, this is a permanent fat reduction program. Once the fat cells are treated, they are gone forever. They'll never come back. What you have to make sure that the fat cells which are left behind needs to be taken care. You have to follow a good healthy lifestyle so that your weight loss is sustainable. Abhishek is asking, I have heard that HIFU treatments are very painful. Is your machine also that painful? The technology, Abhishek, that we have is almost pain-free. So need not worry about pain. Okay, so Gunjan is asking, is avoiding carbs at night helpful? Okay, Gunjan, we need to have 55 to 60% of the total calories coming from carbohydrates. If that is coming from carbs in breakfast and lunch, you can avoid them for dinner. That will help you to avoid excess of carbohydrates. But definitely you can finish off your meal early by 7 to 8 p.m. That will be definitely helping you for weight loss. Okay. Neha is asking, how old is this 100 days challenge and what has been the response from the market? Neha, this challenge has been on for 8 to 9 months as of now, and there is considerable positive response in the market. People who are very serious about their weight loss and their inch loss, and they want to tone up and firm their body, actually are very diligent and they follow the program precisely as told. We have a certain, like as I told you, it is a 100 days challenge program. It is designed in a way where we, there are some, after the cryosculpting is done, there has to be a frequent visit so that we can analyze how the procedure has taken place. And also there is some kind of diet which is very easy balanced diet. It's like a healthy lifestyle. Definitely you cannot binge eat after you have done cryosculpting. So if you are doing it to the T, definitely the result and is awesome, and we are getting very good response from the people who have done this 100 days challenge with us. Okay. Neha is asking, this program, I am 45 years old housewife and I am suffering from hypothyroid and PCOD. Will your challenge program be effective for me? Neha, definitely this program will help you to get desired result in relatively less span of time. This technologies are very helpful for medical, people, because they struggle a lot for their weight loss. So this is basically this is a helping hand for them. These technologies, they speed up their weight loss and they are less, at the end of the program, they're less disheartened because they get very good results. So yes, if you follow the program as per the protocol, you will definitely get desired result and it will be very effective for you. Okay, how much weight loss can I get? You will get 8 to 10 kgs of weight loss in 100 days, Manisha. Okay, next question. Okay, why shall I look to enroll with Clinic Dermatech? Abhishek is asking. Abhishek, Clinic Dermatech is North India's most awarded skin clinic. We offer a combination of latest and the most advanced technology, which is safe and effective. So as I told you, this 100 days challenge program, it is using multiple technologies of the world, and we have these technology available. So we have designed this program for you specifically so that it meets, it caters to 360-degree of all your problems. That is your weight loss, your inch loss, your toning and tightening, and the stubborn fat elimination. So you can, this is basically one-stop solution for all your worries. That is why you must enroll with Clinic Dermatech. Okay, Pooja is asking, does your body shaping program work for men as well? Definitely, Pooja, it works for men as well. Charu is asking, what is the time frame in which one can see effective loss? Okay, Charu, when we do cryosculpting or any, as I have told you, the various technologies that we have, cryosculpting, because we are freezing the fat cells over a particular area, the stubborn fat takes at least 4 to 6 weeks to eliminate, and you will get to see results, in a span of 4 weeks, and also over the period of time, like in 2 months, more results will be visible. And as I told you, if you are looking for inch loss, iLipo will provide you result instantly after the procedure is done. Similarly with CD Ultra, because all these technologies are very advanced, so you will get to see the results very soon. Okay, and if we have to talk about weight loss, the weight loss is gradual as per your medical condition, but definitely in the span of 100 days, 8 to 10 kgs of weight loss can be observed. Okay, I have another question. I have heard that drinking water helps in losing the weight. Is it right? So, when we drink water, it is very important to regulate your all body functions. So, drinking 3 to 4 liters of water definitely throughout the day is very important for all your body functions to, take place. But it might not, help you for weight loss, so please don't mix up that. But yes, many people misinterpret their thirst as hunger. So that is one problem, and that is why it leads to weight gain. Abhishek, wait. We'll be looking forward to see you, Abhishek, at Clinic Dermatech. Okay, so Gunjan is asking, I'm looking for a quick weight and inch loss. Can you help me? Gunjan, as I told you, the technologies will be helping you for an inch loss. We have different technologies which will be delivering you good inch loss, but for weight loss you have to be very patient. I do not recommend any kind of crash diet, and also any kind of crash diet is not either recommended with any of our programs, because there is a tendency that you gain back whatever you have lost. So it is always advisable to go slow, to listen to your body well, and go as per the pace. So that is why this is a 100 days challenge program, so that we can take it slow and we can give you sustainable result, and the fat loss is also permanent. So if you're looking for quick weight loss and inch loss, then definitely the thing is that there is a chance that you bounce back. So you should always look for sustainable results instead of looking for quicker things. Okay. Yeah, Anupama, as I told you, cryosculpting is a permanent fat reduction which is targeting the stubborn fat over a particular area. Once the fat cells are treated, they are dead and they are eliminated out of the body naturally within a span of 4 to 6 weeks. So once the fat cells are dead, they are not going to come back. So if you're following a healthy lifestyle, then definitely, the fat cells which are remaining are not going to grow in size. So cryosculpting has 100% permanent results. Hello, Karishma. Okay. Abhishek is asking, what is the assurance of getting the result? Abhishek, see, I have come across with many clients, and they have ideally tried a lot of things. They have followed diet, they have followed exercise programs, and then they come for these non-surgical procedures with us. So the main idea is, when you come up for any non-surgical treatment, this is the one thing, because you've lost from what should I say? I mean, this you choose it because आपका बहुत time से कहीं से नहीं हो रहा, and you're really disheartened and you really want a solution to that. So this is a two-way process. I am going to put my 100%. We are going to put 100% at Clinic Dermatech, because we have these advanced technologies with us. But yes, you also have to make sure that whatever is being told to you, you are doing that back home all correctly, so that we can assure you good results, and the results are, believe me, very, very great. Okay, and I am not keen on needles or any invasive procedure. Are these procedures without injections or needles or supplement? Yes, Charu, these treatments do not involve any kind of needles or injections or any supplements. So these are all non-invasive procedures. You can safely do it. Neha, we have used so many technologies in one program for you, because this is a 360 degree solution for all your body shaping worries, for be it because we have to deliver you weight loss We have to deliver you inch loss, we have to deliver you toning and tightening, and also we have to eliminate your stubborn fat. So weight loss is, when you your weight loss actually starts when you come here. So we have to take care of all these things, and that is why we are using multiple technologies on you so that you get perfect shape for your body. Thank you, Gitanjali. Okay, so I think I am done with the question answers. Any more questions do I have? Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you for having me, and I hope you all enjoyed, all enjoyed the session. So you can visit the clinic for a free body composition analysis, or you may call us at 890-5320-330. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.